Hello, it's Sunday, March 4th, 2018, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your Week in Review. Today we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The Euro-US dollar rose by 0.41%, closing at $1.2317. The British pound US dollar increased by 0.19%, closing the week at a 1.3802 pound exchange rate. Italians are voting today after a campaign that featured the surprise comeback of media magnate and former premier Silvio Berlusconi and a challenge to mainstream parties by the populist five-star movement. Today's election is set to be one of the country's most uncertain elections ever, with far-right and populist parties expected to make major gains and Silvio Berlusconi set to play a leading role. Gold increased by 1.39% as of last week's market close, closing at $1,323.40. Crude oil rose by 0.26%, closing at $61.25 a barrel. U.S. President Donald Trump has set the stage for a trade war by imposing a 25% tax duty on steel and 10% on aluminum imports, leading the European Union to warn that it would target iconic American brands like Harley, Levi Strauss, and U.S. whiskey. Trump in turn threatened European automakers with a tax on imports if the European Union retaliates against his plan to slap tariffs on aluminum and steel. The Dow Jones ended the week with a decrease of 0.29%, closing at a value of 24,538.06. The S&P 500 rose by 0.51%, closing at a value of 2,691.25. And lastly, the Nasdaq increased by 1.08%, ending the week at a value point of 7,257.87. That's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal trading consultant is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.